I'm telling you, I have not had much luck lately with adventuring. But hey, I'm still happy that I'm able to get out here and adventure. I'm debating now if I should put my paddleboard in. It's a bit breezy, it's a bit chilly. I have my 4-3 wetsuit back there. I don't plan on getting wet, but just in case, I have that wetsuit. And I know I'm going to have to get my feet wet. It's going to be no way around that one. Oh. This is my least favorite part. This is like the worst. I need to get one of those 12-volt paddleboard pumps. This thing wears me out. It's another reason I don't go as often. This is a workout in itself. Almost there. Just gotta get to the 15 mark. It's a lot of work. I'm out here looking for the best way to launch my paddleboard without me getting soaked. And it looks like I'm gonna have to get my feet wet because there's really no good points unless I go to the fee use area, and I'm not trying to do that. I'm starting to hear raindrops on the roof, which is not a good sign, but I'm gonna throw my wetsuit on and let's get out there before the rain starts, or either way, I think I'm gonna get wet, so it's gonna be a cold one. Oh, yes, I can put a wetsuit on in this little space. This is the part I gotta do out here, because it's no way I can maneuver like that inside. And when you know it, it's starting to rain. Ugh. These things are fun. This thing's tight. Tighter than last time I put it on. I didn't gain that much weight. Come on. gas in it, get it all nice and figured out. It's raining. I don't know, should I? I think I might. It's a little breezy too, but once I get out there, I'm sure it's gonna start pouring down. Hey, we only live once, right? Yeah, it's a little chilly, huh? It's a little chilly. Put this thing out there. Oh yeah, that water is cold. All right, and we're off. Just like that. This journey begins. Starting off going against the current just to see if I could battle the current back up if I have to. That's the proper way to do it, and it looks like I'm making headway, so we're good on that part. Coming up on a little island in the Staunton River. I'm gonna get there and we're gonna chill for a bit. We made it on this little river island. This is so amazing. And this is the reason I love paddleboarding. It can get you to places that I normally can't hike to. Oh, I love this. All right, I've had my fun chilling out here on an island in the middle of the river. So amazing. The trip back is gonna be so fast because the current is going that way, the wind's going that way. I'm gonna haul butt back that way and try to explore some more of the little islands and stuff on the other side. Let's go, baby. This is what y'all are waiting for. See me stand up. It's been a while since I balanced, but we've done it. The stubs in the trees that the beavers have eaten up. Over there is a wildlife management area, Hogan Creek Wildlife Management Area. It's pretty shallow over there. Current is carrying me and it's going pretty fast too. I made an executive decision. I'm not gonna go to the islands down there. I'm gonna go back to the van. I'm my toes are pretty cold. I don't have the surf booty, so yeah, my toes are pretty cold. My fingers are getting pretty cold. So I'm gonna head back to the van. Let some of this moisture out of here. So a lot of things did get wet. That was great. That was a much needed paddleboard adventure. I've been wanting to get out there all winter, and I finally got out there today. Even though it was rainy, windy, kind of chilly, still a blast. That made it even more fun, actually. I love stuff like that. I love adventures like this in inclement weather. That makes it so more thrilling, and it's like, ooh, yes. Y'all would be so proud of me. I cleaned this out. It's so nice and organized now. And now I just have to stuff that behind there. Close that. Close this. Come on. There we go. Voila. Nice, organized, and clean looking. That is all I have for today, explorers. It was an amazing, epic day. I had not been paddleboarding for almost 1 year. It's been a minute, and I'm so glad and thankful that I was able to get out there. Although it was rainy and the conditions weren't, perfect, it was still an amazing time. But as always, explorers, peace, love, and have a great day wherever you are.